Hello there everyone and welcome to the oldest railway station in the country in Broad Green. And kicking us off will be 323-235 with the 1756 Northern service from Wigan North Western through to Liverpool Lime Street. Flying through the station, 10 minutes late for TransPennine Express is 185112, working 1K31 from Liverpool Lime Street through to Hull. Flying fast through the station for Northern is 323-239, working 2 Charlie 25 from Wigan North Western through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next train out to depart is 331-111, working the 1814 Northern service from Blackpool North through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next fly through the station for TransPennine Express is 802-218, running 27 minutes late with 9 Mike 15 from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next train out to depart is 323-213, working the 1818 Northern service from Manchester Victoria through to Liverpool Lime Street.
You mean that's our 323? Oh, there's another one that sounds... Oh, there it is.
Flying through the station for TransPennine Express is 802-206, working 1K26 from Hull through to Liverpool Lime Street. Also flying through the station for TransPennine Express as the sun starts to set is 802-218, working 9 Echo 18 from Liverpool Lime Street through to Newcastle, running 6 minutes late. Arriving next into the station is 323-239, working the 1841 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Wigan North Western. Flying through the station for Northern will be 331-111, working 1 November 82 from Liverpool Lime Street through to Blackpool North. Next flying through the station for TransPennine Express is 802-211, working 9 Mike 16 from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. So good. Arriving next into the station will be 323-235, working the 1855 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Wigan North Western. And to finish off the day and the series in this area is 331023 and 331028, running 16 minutes late with the 1840 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Liverpool Lime Street. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.